Next, we're going to show you how to remap metadata when copying a list or library to a new list. This is a very powerful tool as it allows you to copy metadata from any column to another column. So in this case, we're going to copy these files from here to video from concerts. And we have a column called artist name. But in the other list, we do not have a column called artist name. Instead, we have a column called artist. And so in this demo, we're going to show you how we can move that metadata from artist name to artist. The demo will also show how the target list has two content types. So over here, we have two content types, and we can associate this kind of migrating of information to a new content type. So let's begin. We're going to highlight the items that we're going to migrate over. And I'm going to just highlight those and then drag them to the new list. And this will begin the wizard of migrating the information. We're going to leave this page blank and go to the next. And so here is where our first part where we can change the content type. Right now it's set to document, but we actually would like to have it set to video info. And when we do that, you can see that we get additional columns. And one of those is the artist. And so when we select this second triangle over here, select a source for value, we're going to get up a window that shows all of the columns from our source. Right? So this is where we're copying from in the available columns. And that one called artist name is the one that we're going to associate to artist. Right? We're going to migrate the metadata to artist. Okay? So I'm going to select that. And what we'll notice now is instead of it saying empty as it did before, it's going to now say copy value from artist name. Okay, so next, I'm going to click next, and it's going to kind of give us some information about what we're doing in our migration and the 8 items that we're bringing over. And do we want to delete these from the source? But I'm not going to delete them. And in this case, there's no versioning, so it's just going to overwrite if the file exists. So we'll click Finish, and it will begin the process of migrating the items and the metadata over. As we see here, 8 items have successfully been processed, so we'll click OK. And now to see that those 8 items have moved over, we're going to see, remember, these songs have been moved over to videos for concerts. So when I double click on video for concerts, we should have 8 new items, which we do. Here are those 8 new items, and we can see that the metadata from artist name in our source list has been migrated over and has been applied to our column called artist, and here we can see the artist's name. This concludes our demo of Metavis Classifier.